Hi guys, it's a family and friend show with Raquel and
Jade.
We are the brother and sisters. We're brother and sister. We love each other. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. Wait a minute. Stop, guys. Stop. Okay. We are doing something today. It is very cool. Hope we get like 1 million subscribers. If we get 5 million subscribers from you all, we will do an anniversary video. But I'm not telling what it's about, but it will be awesome. So subscribe, leave likes, and we will do it if we only get 5 million. Has to be 5 million. 5 million. My mom said 5 million. 5 million subscribers. So leave subscribers and tell all your friends about my channel, me and Zaid's channel. The Family and Friend Show soon will be called the Raquel and Zaid Show.
Yeah.
Zaid, what? Go give me your gun over there. We're doing a video about your gun. Come on.
Oh.
It's for all the little boys out there because we mostly did girly videos. So now we're doing boy videos.
Something out.
So Zaid, subscribe of how you like it. Subscribe it. If you are a boy and you like this gun that I'm showing you right now, then subscribe and leave a like to this video. Do you like this gun, Zaid?
Yeah.
Is it cool?
It's a real gun.
Yeah, it's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really.
Don't but there's some stuff down in here. I love the channel. I love this. It's called the Black Canyon gun. It has fire roll caps, 100 shots. Has this over here. Has this little gun right here. Has a big gun up top. So all the boys that like this, you have to subscribe or else you can never watch our YouTube videos again. I'm sorry, but you cannot watch them unless you subscribe. So all the subscribers can watch, but if you're not subscribed, you cannot watch. So Zaid, come with me over here. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.